When I talk to patients about joint replacement, what we always say is that it's a quality of life decision.
The work that I used to do with wiring and computers, it was a lot on my knees. I mean, they really did hurt. I made an appointment and went and saw Jeff.
He had really bad knees. The cartilage, especially on the inside part of the knee, had worn out on both sides.
Looked at the x-rays that they took and he looks at it and said, how can you walk?
He had limited motion, just really affecting his ability to get around.
The facilities here are great. You just go down the bottom of the hill to the light, go straight through, and you're right at the hospital. The day of the surgery over at the hospital, the anesthesiologists came in, the two of them. First thing you know, I'm waking up in a recovery room. It's seamless.
Seeing him doing well and happy with his result is as much satisfaction as I can get.
Now I walk around all over the place. It doesn't hurt.